Hello everyone, this is Simrit Kathuria and welcome to my show. Here's to women of power, perfection with the masculine.
So my today's guest is a woman who does it all. An entrepreneur, educationist, a public speaker, a Ficky Flow ex-chairperson, and mom and a wife. Let's welcome the lady herself, Divya Oswal.
Thank you so much. Thanks, Simrat, firstly, for the humble introduction. I am extremely excited to be here and to be in this conversation with you. I'm also looking forward to this because I think we are going to be discussing a few very eminent and pertinent things that exist as a question in everyone's mind, every woman's mind. And through this fun conversation, I'm actually very excited to get going.
I am also. First we will talk about some health and fitness, Divya.
All right.
So if you are kind of to bracket out Divya's fitness or Divya's diet,
Okay.
in terms of a routine or preferences or a comfort food,
Okay.
how would you explain that?
All right. So, I was just sharing with you a while back that I have learned fitness the harder way. I have lost almost 35 kgs twice after both my kids. So, initially there weren't many gyms or dietitians like you who were available to guide us well. And I think I crash dieted. I did everything that was not supposed to be done. I had a bad fall in my stamina, my hair, skin, everything went for a toss. But after my second child, my son, I knew I had to do it the right way. And so a few things became like a permanent change in my daily routine where health is concerned. Number one, I do not stock things in my house that aren't clean eating habits.
I think that's the best thing. ना घर पे जंक होगा
ना खाने के लिए टेंट होगी. Exactly. So वो clean shelf therapy जिसको कहते हैं, the shelves are absolutely clean and of no whites. So वो चीनी मैदा धीरे धीरे करके ये सारी habits change हुई. It took time but change हुई, I'm sure. I think the other thing that I constantly did and still do is 10, 12 odd years of good fitness training. I do very regular strength training and I'm very fortunate to have a very good trainer who's taken me through this journey throughout.
Great.
So injuries, no injuries, there's someone right to guide you towards fitness because fitness is not really patla dubla and all that. It's actually inner strength, your endurance and stamina. So second was that. And third was I don't consciously think I ever starved for the last 12 years. I've never starved. I don't believe in these nai fads of aise khao to waise na khao. I eat every 2 hours and I genuinely feel hungry to eat after every 2 hours. The thing is, I go back to rule 1, clean eating in those 2 hours.
I think this is what women should know about this thing. क्योंकि जब भी कोई डाइट पे जाता है स्पेशली आफ्टर प्रेगनेंसी ना दे ऑलवेज थिंक कि भूखे रह लो खाना बंद कर दो है ना या पेरेंट्स हमें ज़्यादा खिला देते हैं तीन दोज केसेस जब आप प्रेगनेंसी के बाद उल्टा वेट गेन कर लेते हैं और रादर तो लूज करते हैं especially in Punjab, when everybody's, pampering you and बस हमें भी लगता है कि चलो शायद यही best time है to eat anything and everything. They are starting injecting so that's so bad. This is so bad. These are
Very big harmful things in the long run, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Wow. I did put this thing in regime and I mean, you can tell me if it's right or not. I did start having a certain healthy smoothie of greens once a day every time. Like it's been a part of my routine. It keeps my colon and gut very clean. I feel energetic. That is one thing that I've gotten attached to even because of the taste, I guess, and shortage of time, to be honest. And you're off. So maybe that also.
I believe that's the best thing we can do to ourselves, because these days we can't get everything from the food.
Yeah.
है ना अगर हम सब्जी भी बना रहे हैं तब भी हम कितनी को खा लेंगे है ना if you're having the fruits also how much fruits we can have. So if the green juices and smoothies, yes, we can always inculcate it now.
That's reassuring because that is something that I've really taken on to probably after reading an article or something. It's not that I went for a professional consultation, but I think as a time saver, and then uske baad the taste was amazing.
Yes.
And I just psychologically thought that I'm at least putting in my almond butter, so good fats chalega, greens chalega, you know, those little things that you want here as a part of your routine, but आप
Yes.
कर नहीं पाते हो.
और बहुत सारी चीजें हम लेफ्ट आउट कर जाते हैं, तो सप्लीमेंट्स खाने से कहीं बेटर है दैट वी ईट गुड इन एनी फॉर्म इफ व्हाटएवर इट वी आर ईटिंग.
True, no, that's very reassuring.
So as you are fitness freak and as me as a dietitian, you know, बहुत सारे लोग जब भी मैं कहीं जाती हूँ, किसी पार्टी में चली जाऊँ या कहीं पे चल जाऊँ, तो somebody or the other person they just come up to me and they have a question.
Huh.
So and you are here, so what is your question?
Okay, this is interesting. अब you put me in a fix. मैंने तो मन कर रहा है डाइट के बारे में कुछ ना पूछूं because आप सबको जवाब देते देते थक गए होंगे. But I'll ask you something very frankly. With all the great diet and health and everything, still age is a factor. Age reversal is quite a science that I think is probably going to take the world in its own charm. My question is not really the whole age reversal aspect of it. I have always lacked a glowing skin, as in एक वो hydrated, satiated skin वाली जो feel होती है, irrespective of water, whatever. So I don't know if there is like a go-to mantra for a very hydrated. Like look at you, you're like all glowing sitting here. So
Okay, I will. So Divya, about the age, I don't think so. We both are sitting here. हमारी age कोई guess कर सकता है? नहीं कर सकता ना. So हम बता भी नहीं रहे.
okay.
So the thing is, when we talk about the age reversal, obviously our diet works, our hydration works, our water works. What works the most is your stress and your sleep.
Yeah.
When everything is fine, you know, when everything is fine, but you are stressed and you're sleep deprived, problematic. So it starts showing.
Yeah.
It starts showing. You can't help it.
And so I think that's going to be my takeaway today, because I have somehow set a pattern, a routine, conscious choices for most things. What I haven't been able to do is sleep on time. I really haven't been doing that for quite some time. And COVID made it worse because of the nature of my work. It was all online. And once you get onto a screen, I feel it just worsens. You tend to sleep erratically. उठना जल्दी ही होता है, उसका कोई choice नहीं है. You have to start your day in time. So I think that's my takeaway for today's video. You know what? That
These days, हमको सब कुछ करना है और उसने टाइम में करना है और हमें लगता है कुछ छूट ना जाए. And we want to be perfect, like perfect mothers, perfect wives, perfect, you know, business women, and perfect social, you know,
social presence should also be
everything. I really want everything to be perfect. And in that perfection, we always lose something. True. So
yeah,
that
and probably you're right. We lose out on two major things: peace of mind and sleep.
Yeah.
And yeah, so that could be one of the reasons why you don't achieve certain targets when you've actually done everything else correctly. Yeah. So thanks for that tip. It's interesting to know.
Thank you. So, Divya, एक बात बताओ. We have comfort food, and every woman has a comfort style also. And when I look at you, Hannah, I can always see you in these bodycon dresses or, you know, and long magazines. So how you portray yourself in this thing? Why?
Comfort food for me has always been, to begin with, something that I can drink rather than eat. I don't know. I love sipping at things rather than chewing at things. It's just an inert nature. So I would find my comfort in certain foods that can give me the longevity of sick pay. That's about it. But comfort dressing. So thanks for noticing that I enjoy wearing bodycon dresses, but I'll be very honest. If you open my cupboard, you will end up finding something for every occasion. I love to be in my denims and t-shirts when it's just friends and casual work. I would love to dress up or dress down according to the occasion. I love my saris. I think the heirloom pieces I've seen. Yeah, I love them. I keep collecting them from my mother-in-law, my mother. They have impeccable taste. They want some beautiful clothes in their times, right? I keep collecting it from them. So you'll have saris, you'll have dresses. There's no go-to style of mine, I'll be very honest. But I'm very comfortable in solid colors. I'm not a very print person. And probably when you're asking me why, it's because somehow I associate a very refined thought process when I see something single in color. When I don't know, when I see patterns, I get a little shifted. It's just not me. Even if I'm out to buy something, and if I see something in nice, bold, solid colors, and especially like pastels and stuff, my hand reaches out automatically. So there's no particular style, a go-to style that, I can point out at. It's one of those things that हर occasion के लिए कुछ पहनने का जब मन करता है, I would have that stock.
So let's have Fast and Furious.
Fast X stuff. Yeah, this one. Yeah, all right, got it. Fast.
So सबसे पहले आएगा rapid fire.
All right.
तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, जब हम कुछ सुनते हैं तो फटाफट जवाब देंगे. दिव्या, आप इसके लिए मेरे पास एक हैम्पर है. सीरियसली वो हैम्पर मैं नहीं दूंगी अगर आप टाइम लोगे उसमें.
नहीं लूंगी.
ठीक है, जो बिकॉज बहुत सारी चीज़ें सबकॉन्शियस में होती है ना, एंड व्हेन यू जस्ट हियर दैट थिंग आउट एंड यू जस्ट go with that.
I do that.
So the first question is, dish that can change your mood.
Anything in Chinese. Anything in Chinese. Let's say a great bao, even a simple, spicy, tangy bao.
Wow. Okay, so the second question. First dish you cooked all by yourself. ऐसा कौन सा खाना था जो खुद बनाया था? किसी भी एज में.
Start. I will, before I answer that question, I will have to genuinely request AA Media Projects not to telecast this anywhere close to my family, because they will laugh the maximum on this answer that except for बातें इसने अपनी जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं बनाया है. That we still think a dish that I could complete. Okay, so the COVID में I think worst, including me, people became great cooks. Okay, so I think with whatever experiment I did, मैंने एक Mexican bowl पूरा खुद से try करा था, जो कि मेरे बच्चों ने somehow 3 चम्मच खा लिया था. So I'm just assuming I was not that good, but
So मेरा तो अगला question था, celebrity you would love to cook for.
A celebrity I would love to cook. Wait, नहीं, उसके लिए try करते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है, हम try करते हैं. Which celebrity? Let's see. Oh my God, इसमें मैं instantly क्या जवाब? Tom Cruise या all time favorite Top Gun.
Feel is overhyped. आजकल बहुत सारे.
Yeah. There are these Buddha bowls and keto bowls. Bowls.
Okay, so you are from Bhopal.
Yes.
So your staple food.
There is something called kathi dal, like arhar ki dal, but it is cooked in a way which is really gaढ़ा. It's cooked in a certain way that it's not very flowy. Okay, semi-solid with chawal and lots of ghee.
वो बनाना आता है?
Why this question? I don't think this was a part of your rapid fire. It was in it. Now you're just calling it a queen. No, बस खाना आता है. It's
This or that. तो दिव्या को ये चाहिए होगा या वो चाहिए होगा.
All right. And there is no both, I'm assuming. दोनों नहीं चाह सकती दिव्या.
Unlike. एक ही चीज.
Okay.
Street food or fancy?
Oh my God. Very tricky. Very, very tricky. नहीं यार, hardcore street food.
हाँ. Okay. Buffet or sit down dinner?
Sit down. Definitely.
So midday munching or midnight munching?
I would want midday munching. As I said, I have a lot of meals throughout the day. But unfortunately, because of that one thing that we discussed, that I'm not sleeping in time and all, midnight munching हो जाती है, जिसको मैं बहुत control करके चलती हूँ.
So Divya, appetizers or a dessert?
As I was saying, आप फिर कहाँ से ढूंढ के ला रहे हो questions? They're so tricky. But I genuinely feel you can't end a meal without meat. So yeah, desserts.
Okay, so Divya the foodie and Divya the traveler.
Oh, Divya the foodie. I am not very excited about traveling. I'm a very homebound person. अगर कोई traveling पूछे, मैं एक जगह जाने की हिम्मत करके फिर वहाँ बैठ जाऊँगी. वहाँ से फिर दूसरी जगह जाने के लिए, I'm not a traveler. And I'm not a very happy traveler. I would rather sit right here and have a nice cup of tea, coffee, snacks, or whatever, rather than go hopping.
So yes, you deserve the hamper. This is the hamper.
Thanks a lot. This is beautiful, and it's such a very coordinated.
So I hope you like this picture.
I do it. It's been tricked by someone called A.N. It's beautiful. Yes. Thank you so much.
So Divya, every woman has their own ups and downs in life, है ना? चाहे वो success हो, failures हो, and we have learned so many lessons from it.
Yeah.
ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो आप शेयर करना चाहोगे? अपनी कोई स्टोरी, कोई सक्सेस, कोई फेलियर या कोई लेसन?
Okay, thanks. Very interesting question. Honestly, thank you so much for that question. It's a little food for thought. But when I think about it, I think the day I stopped fearing failures is the day I started doing things. जब तक मुझको डर लगता था कि ये करूँगी तो ये हो जाएगा या ये करूँगी तो वो हो जाएगा, ये करूँगी तो कोई ये सोचेगा, इसको ये लगेगा. When I did all those things, I think I was really downsizing my own potential. I was bottling myself down. Bachche are a very important project in an Indian woman's life, probably a global woman's life. And we as Indian women, we were sharing just a few while back. Aap bata rahe the, you've always been educated to be a dietitian.
Yes.
And you only took charge of it after your children became a little independent. And tab tak I think in our lives, as a syndrome, that fear really sets in. आप वो एक 20-something में एक job की leap का enthusiasm भी रखते हो in your mid-30s, late-30s. So I feel the day I stopped fearing failure, that क्या हो जाएगा, failing, you know, let's still try. I think that was the date I'll never forget. It was नोटबंदी के बहुत आसपास की बात बता रही हूँ.
So when you started?
Yeah, that is the time of birth of my own company, Uswaledi Care, and there was no looking back from there because I gathered so much encouragement from my family, my in-laws, my husband, my kids, my friends. So I think आधा जिंदगी हम anticipation में लगा देते हैं, बाकी आधी हम डरते लगा देते हैं. Whether it's health, whether it's a little talented dream you had that I want to learn singing, yeah, sure, you should. I really don't think we should fear failure. The moment we stop doing that, everything's good.
Yes, we are going to have a success.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. You can chase your dream.
Yes, yes. ना तो है ही है, बिल्कुल फेल तो हो ही रहे हैं. नहीं भी कर रहे तो तभी तो फेल ही है.
Cool. So at least complain तो नहीं करेंगे.
Exactly. Absolutely. So thank you so much, Divya, for being here. This was really pleasure you having on a Mastro show. So thank you so much for watching this show. So thank you, Divya, for coming on this show.